Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading under 4,000 again. So yesterday when gold was trading above 4,000, okay, gold was trading somewhere around here. We discussed one thing very clearly, that this up move of gold was temporary, because we have discussed earlier also in our previous videos that gold needs to cross 4250 at first, and then gold needs to cross 4400. Then only we can call it as a trend reversal. As long as gold is trading below 4,000, or sorry, not 4,000, or 4250, the market will be always under pressure. So right now we can see that gold is trading below 4,000. The structure of the market was bullish yesterday, but today we can see that this structure has changed again. Okay, and now we can see that gold is under pressure. So my dear friends, okay, if you have any ongoing sale, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I will suggest you to stick to the levels, because to be honest, okay, we have been confused for the last few days regarding the trend of the market, and obviously it is quite natural, because sometimes gold is trading above 4,000, sometimes it is trading below 4,000, and sometimes it looks bullish, bearish. So the confusion is there. Okay, so it's quite natural. As a result, okay, again I'm back to my level to level trading. To be honest, I'm not targeting more than 80 or 90 pips in my trades. Okay, whenever I'm getting 80-90 pips, I'm just out of the trade, because things are changing so fast. And if you watch my videos, you must know that I do not like to hold my trades overnight. Okay, I don't do that. I'm a hardcore day trader. So at time of trading also, okay, I'm just looking for 80 to 90 pips, because okay, gold is giving us a tough time right now. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. Anyways, my dear friends, if you are a part of our WhatsApp community, then you must have already got all the information about gold today, because we have discussed thoroughly. If you are not a part of our WhatsApp community, you can join by opening your trading account under our referral with just $200 deposit. Okay, there's no monthly fees here. Okay, you just need to open your trading account with a deposit of $200. Why $200 deposit is required? Because see, you will be trading with the money, but to sustain the group, to run the group, okay, there are expenses, isn't it? So we are a group of 5 guys. So whatever commission is generated from the trades, okay, we just distribute it. Okay, just being honest here. Okay. Now let's discuss about the trading opportunity. The first opportunity that I see on the chart of gold right now is below 3970. There is a possibility that market will go down from here. Okay, we can see market tried to go up, it failed. So there is a possibility that market will drop from here. If market drops below 3970, I will be looking for a sell position. Obviously, the selling opportunity during the European session or US session will be much more favorable, because it will bring volume. Because right now we see there is not much volume in the market. If I zoom in, you can see there is not much volume in the market, and in a low volume market, there is a possibility of a false breakout. Okay, so watch it. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden drop, okay, then you can look for a sell position. What I will do personally, okay, I have already placed a sell stop. Yes, I have already placed a sell stop here, and my target is 100 pips. So I will be exiting around 3960. But if I see that the volume is low, the intention of the market is not very good. Okay, the sellers are not very much in dominant position, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा selling pressure नहीं है, then obviously I will be exiting before 3960. It all depends on the scenario. Trading is subjective, but as of now, I'm looking for a sell below 3970. Okay, with a target of 3960. But if I see not much volume, I will exit before 3960. Let's wait and watch. Okay, be careful. Again, I'm repeating. Okay, volume is very important for any breakout or breakdown. Then we have the buying opportunity around this particular zone here. Okay, remember 3942, the loan made by the market? Yes, 394 to 3950. Okay, 394 to 3950 is the support zone. So if market drops also during the day, we can look for a support around this area. Do not trade blindly. Gold is giving us a hard time. काफी कठिन है gold में trade करना आजकल. So if you see market taking support, then only hit the buy button. For example, if you see that gold is going down with a big red candle, okay, then obviously you need to use your common sense that it is not a good time to buy. Okay, if you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, then only go for a buy position. And if market goes up from here, do we have any selling opportunities? Around 4008, yeah, around 4008 you can look for some selling opportunity. 4000 acting as a backdate, okay, because market is not going far away from 4000 for last few days. So if market hits 4008, observe the market for us, okay, because here we can see that the previous support, listen to me carefully, we can see previous support has the potential to act as resistance, but this is gold, okay, isn't it? So if you see market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button, otherwise just avoid. Okay, so 4008 is a level, okay, we can look for a sell, but it depends on the situation. Okay, and if market drops below 3970 with volume, we can look for a sell position there as well, sell at breakdown. And if market takes support on 3950, 3942, we can look for a buy position there. So these are the trading opportunities that are in front of us right now. Overall, the market is bearish because if you look at the market sentiment also, market sentiment is very important, my dear friends. The market sentiment is bearish because you can see gold slips as fading US-Iran peace prospects reinforce Fed rate hike bets. Gold prices extended losses on Wednesday after falling to a 7-month low in the previous session as fading prospects of a permanent US-Iran peace deal heightened inflation concerns and bolstered expectations of Fed rate hikes. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. So things are not very positive for gold. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Nothing much to discuss right now. Okay, these are the only 3 things I see right now. If anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the community or the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And right now, at the time of recording the video in the Asian session, gold is trading around this particular zone here. If market consolidates here, then it is a good sign. If it consolidates around this particular zone for 2 to 3 hours, it is a good sign because consolidation means a big move is coming. So if market drops big time, okay, big time, then it will be a good opportunity. Okay, let's wait and watch. Time will speak. Okay, and follow proper risk management. Market has been dicey for the last few days, so careful.